Let's make a brief instruction for how to choose correct material by using tag tester T8200Pro-G. This is a normal HF card. We put the card in the probe to get a basic test value. The signal is strong. Q value is around 40. Attenuation is -13 dBm, and frequency is 14.3 MHz. Now we have two different laser materials in hand. If we want to put the laser material on card surface, how we choose the better one? They're the same appearance and same thickness to the naked eye. Then how's the results after adding the two materials? We can see clearly from T8200Pro-G. We put the first material on card surface in the probe. Q value is 2. Attenuation is -3.6 dBm, and frequency is similar. So just say frequency. The material didn't influence the card. Next, we change to the second material. Q value is 27, attenuation is -10 dBm, and the frequency is still similar. Finally, we got the summary after putting the two types material on the card surface. The signal attenuation is the biggest for the first material, and the second material has a little attenuation. Obviously, the second material is more suitable for making card.